to Edgar Parichambi, Education Minister of Bolivia. My name is Ana Romero, and I am writing you from the perspective of a Bolivian feminist anthropologist committed to promoting gender equality and empowering women in our society. I would like to express my support and the urgent need to approve a law that establishes the obligation to include comprehensive education in the curriculum of all educational institutions in Bolivia. From my experience and training in feminist anthropology, I can share you a contextualized specific arguments and pertinent data that underscore the urgency of this law in our context. Bolivia is a country rich in cultural and ethnic diversity, each with its own perspective of sexuality and gender. Comprehensive sex education should adapt to and respect this cultural diversity, fostering an intercultural dialogue on sexuality and gender. Secondly, gender-based violence and sexual violence are persistent challenges in our society, exacerbated by cultural-based norms and gender stereotypes. Comprehensive sex education can question and transform these harmful cultural patterns for the future generations. Sex education is fundamental to empower women, providing us with proper information about our sexual and reproductive health, our rights, and our autonomy to make informed and free choices in our lives. Sex education can also play a crucial role in preventing gender-based violence by promoting agreed relationships and informed consent. It is essential to teach young people to recognize and reject violence and sexual bullying. Comprehensive and feminist education can contribute to the social transformation necessary to achieve a more just and equitable society by addressing deep-seated inequalities in our culture. Finally, numerous countries have successfully incorporated comprehensive sex education into their education systems, demonstrating improvements in sexual and reproductive health, as well as interpersonal relationships and gender equity. I respectfully urge you to consider these arguments and data in making decisions about the inclusion of comprehensive sex education in the Bolivian educational system. As a feminist and anthropologist, I am convinced that this measure is essential to ensure an equitable and safe future for women and young people in our country. I appreciate your attention to this matter and your commitment to gender equality in Bolivia. I am able to collaborate on any initiatives that promote this cause, and I am confident that by working together we can achieve positive challenges in our society. Sincerely, Ana Romero, Bolivian anthropologist and feminist.